This is probably my third attempt to make this video, but it's important. This video is 100% not about the specs of this drone. It is not even about this particular drone. Just using the example of my NewBeeDrone, I want to convey one important point about this kind of drones. So, let's analyze two options, and the first is you're a beginner. Wanna try yourself in FPV, and in my opinion that is a very good option. First of all, it is not longer a simulator. It is a real drone that flies like an adult drone, but at the same time it is safe and inexpensive and incredibly durable. At least this will give you an understanding of FPV and possibly save you money. It is another matter when you are an experienced pilot. I believe that such a drone gives you many things. You can train at home when the weather does not allow you to fly outside. Winter is here and there will be more such days. Even in a small room it can be fun. That's how I have it. Less than 250, less than 100. Who cares? This drone weighs This drone has only 32.5 grams. You can fly anywhere. I mean literally. Let me explain when I say you can literally fly anywhere. We're in the downtown of Vancouver. Yes, this is chandelier suspended under the bridge. The price is $4 and $8 million. Ordinary situation, nothing special, just under the bridge, suspended. Yes, this drone is analog, obviously. That's why I decided to add something digital. Fly around the Tesla. And one more thing, pay attention to how this type of drone feels. It is a little different than your everyday 5-inch drone. I mean, flying a small drone like that, you can improve your turtle control skills, your skills to fly through the different small space and stuff. I sold my Fat Shark a long time ago, that's why my goggle look like this. On the other hand, I choose the NewBeeDrone because it has an integrated crossfire and I can fire my Tango too. I have two of them. There is also a version with yellow wreaths, of course. If you want one, let me give you some tips. It would be great to get rid of the connector from the motors to the flight controller. Believe me, maybe it is not so convenient. The drone flies much better and moreover longer. I also changed this connector, but not to BT 2.0, only gold plates contacts. And another important point, is it durable? Yes, I changed a lot of frames and the most durable ones are just clear. I'm done, and remember, FPV is not only about flying a drone or spending money, it is something more, some kind of freedom.